In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make newspaper art using Nano. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This keeps everything simple and consistent across devices. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official site in the results. Opening it ensures you're using the correct, up-to-date tool for image generation. Once you're on the Gemini app page, find and click the Create Image button. For this walkthrough, that's the action that activates what we'll call the Nano workflow. In short, it's the image creation mode we'll use to build a newspaper-inspired collage effect from your idea. Next, look for the plus sign to upload a reference image. This can be a photo, a sketch, or any visual that conveys the subject or mood you want. Choose something with clear shapes and good contrast. Think bold silhouettes, expressive faces, or striking architecture, because newspaper-style collages tend to look best when the subject stands out. Always make sure you have permission to use any image you upload, especially if it includes people or copyrighted material. Now it's time to craft your prompt. You can start with a solid example like, create a photographic portrait of the Statue of Liberty transformed into a textured mixed media collage. To push it toward newspaper art, describe the textures and materials you want to see, such as layered newsprint, visible columns of text, torn paper edges, and subtle ink bleeds. If you prefer a classic press look, mention muted or monochrome tones with a hint of sepia. If you want something more contemporary, specify pops of color from magazine headlines. The clearer your words are about texture, tone, lighting, and composition, the more the output will align with your vision. Keep it concise but descriptive, and avoid overly complex instructions in a single sentence. Short, focused phrases often work best. When your prompt looks right, click Submit. The system will generate one or more images based on your reference and description. If the first result isn't quite there, adjust a few details in your prompt. Maybe more torn edges, higher contrast, or denser type layers. Then submit again. Small targeted changes typically produce faster improvements than rewriting everything. That's it. By searching for Google Gemini, opening the official site, activating the Nano workflow with Create Image, uploading a thoughtful reference, writing a clear, texture-rich prompt, and submitting, you'll be able to produce striking newspaper-style art with confidence.